Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you are broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to show you a school that pays for your full tuition. I'm going to show you how you can travel and study in the United States for free. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. So without further ado, let's get right into today's business. So, besties, future grad students, if you are dreaming of earning your master's degree in the United States without paying a dime, today is your lucky day because we are diving into an incredible scholarship from Utah State University that covers your tuition. They pay you a generous stipend of 22,000 US dollars, guys. What can be better than that? And what is this scholarship really? Guys, Utah State University is offering a fully funded scholarship for international students entering master's program this year. And this is more than just tuition coverage. It is academic support, it is financial stability, and a chance to thrive in one of the US's most affordable and naturally beautiful states. And here are some of the benefits. Number one, you get full tuition coverage, annual $22,000 living stipends. You also get potential travel and academic resources, as well as research assistantships or teaching assistant roles in select departments. Guys, in case you're wondering, why choose Utah State? Guys, Utah State is not just affordable, it is academically respected and globally welcoming. It is ranked among the top public universities in the United States, and they offer cutting-edge research, small graduate cohorts, and an incredible sense of community. And here are some of the highlights of Utah State University. It's located in Logan, Utah. It is safe, it is affordable, and nature-packed. 200 plus graduate programs, award-winning faculty, diverse international students population, and guys, who can apply? If you're wondering if you are eligible to apply to Utah State University, here is the lowdown. This scholarship is open to international students all over the world pursuing a master's degree, regardless of your country of origin. So whether you're from Ghana, Peru, Istanbul, anywhere in the world, Asia, you can apply to the school. And here is the eligibility criteria. Number one, you must apply for a graduate program at Utah State for fall season. You must have demonstrated academic excellence and leadership potential. You must have a strong research interest or alignment with departmental needs. English language proficiency, yes, is also very important. The dates, deadlines vary by department, and the key targets fall admissions. Yes. And guys, here is how to apply. So if you want to make your application stand out, here are some pro tips to maximizing your chances. First thing you need to do is to tailor your statement of purpose to your field of interest. Highlight leadership, community work, and global perspective. Then connect with professors or departments for research alignment and get your documents, your transcripts, your letters of recommendation, your test scores, get them ready early. And in case you're wondering, what will you get as a scholar? Guys, winning this scholarship means financial freedom for you. It means academic empowerment for you. And you will have the resources to focus on your studies and even do research in your, or teach in your field. Guys, scholarship experience includes graduate level mentorship, conference, funding opportunities, networking events with faculty and professionals, access to campus support, services for international students. And guys, they also give you a welcome tour when you get into the school. So if you are ready to make your master's dream a reality, Utah State University is rolling out that red carpet. Oh yeah, jump on it, because a full scholarship awaits you. $22,000 stipend could also be yours. What are you waiting for? Like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe for more fully funded opportunities like this, and study. Yes, here I also share a lot of study abroad guides and application. And guys, if you have questions for me, drop them in the comments, and let's get you into grad school. So if you're new here, please introduce yourselves. I would like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Your support means the world to me. But to all my returning subscribers especially, I need to acknowledge you guys, especially. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your comments. I see every single one of you, and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me introduce myself. You're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time. Let me also introduce myself, bestie. While you introduce yourselves, please introduce yourself in the comments. I really want to know you. On this channel, I'm building a community, and I want to know every single one of you that's tuning to watch my videos. So besties, introduce yourself while I do the same. So my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel. I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If you want to travel abroad for free, you want to study abroad for free, you want to get fully funded conferences and all of that stuff, I am here. Always researching all these opportunities for you guys. Yeah, so if you are seeing me for the first time, I drop 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. In case you're not aware of fully funded conferences, or you're asking or you want to ask, let me ask for you and respond for you. If you're wondering what are fully funded conferences are international conferences that are fully paid for. They pay for your flights, they pay for accommodation. Typically, these conferences last for about 1 week. No, for 3 days to 1 week, maximum of 2 weeks. I haven't seen a 1 month conference. No, it's usually 2 weeks long at most. So they will pay for your flights, your accommodation, and everything that you need to attend the conference. They also pay for your travel, to and fro within the conference, during the conference. They pay for your hotel bills and everything. They pay for your feeding. Everything is fully covered. And also, I was also privileged to attend World Bank Conference back as an undergraduate. So there are opportunities like this across the world as well. So I was fortunate to, attend World Bank Conference, and they paid for my flight, feeding. It was awesome. It was an amazing experience. I can't even express it. You have to experience it yourself to really understand what I mean by this. So yes, there are lots of international conferences, and there was one that I got invited to the conference, but I wasn't granted a visa at the time because I studied, my first degree was I did economics at the prestigious Obafemi Awolowo University. It's called ISFIT Festival in Norway, ISFI, it's International Students Festival in Norway. So I've been looking out for the conference, but it's not open yet as of yet. So but I'm keeping I'm gonna fill you in once it is open, and I'm gonna share it with you guys on this channel. They pay for your flights, your accommodation, everything that you need for the duration of that conference. And sometimes if you're also in school, let me quickly say this, if you get an international conference and they are not willing to pay, you can reach out to your own school. Go to your Dean of Student Affairs, go to your DSA office, and tell them about it, because the school also wants positive recognition. They want that positive publicity, so they would pay for your school is likely going to pay for your flight. Yes, I said so. These are things that if you don't know, you don't know. If no one tells you, you probably will not think of going to your DSA to request for your flight fees. They will pay for it. Your Dean of Student Affairs will pay for your flight. Once you get the visa, you will come back and they will pay for your flight. Once you're able to get your visa, you're sure that you can enter into the country legally, then your school will pay for you. You're welcome. These are things. So you see, I'm here to hey, on this channel, we're not holding information. We're gonna share because I want you guys to win, and I want you guys to win real big. If you win any scholarship, if you travel to another country of your choice of your destination, just by watching my videos, I'll need you to please send me a 30-second video, 4-minute video, sharing with my audience how you found the opportunity just by watching my videos. So that is about it. And if you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, I'm here for you. All you need to do is join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership. You can find the join button right next to the subscribe button over there. Yes, just right there. And you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. It's 15 minutes, but it's better than nothing. Or if you want a full 1-hour consultation and we can fill your application form together, then you can book a 1-hour meeting with me. If you need the link, ask me in the comments and I'll send it to you, or I can put it in the description as well. So without further ado, guys, go ahead, go and win for your girl. Make sure that you apply to this school, and of course I'm rooting for you guys, and I'll see you guys at the top. And in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I'm so proud of you. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Bye for now. Love you. Bye guys.